Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and as promised, we're doing a Hot Wheels premium unboxing of some car culture stuff, Fast and Furious, and Boulevard cars. So, this is not going to be our cleanest unboxing because, as you know, usually I pop these cars out of the package before we do the video. A lot of times I put them in my display case and they're in there for a week or two before we actually get around to the unboxing, because I usually buy a bunch of stuff at one time and just do random unboxings, pick a couple here and there. Well, nowadays Mattel is upping their game at the glue on their blisters. So some of these cards, well, actually one of the cards, the Fast and Furious one, got tore up, and then the Boulevard Nova, the card actually got lost. I don't know what happened to it. So we're going to start ripping these things as we go in the videos, especially the Hot Wheels ones. The clamshell packages, those I can handle because I cut the back of them and that's a little time consuming. But the Hot Wheels stuff, we're going to start ripping them in the video. So first off, we're going to do the car that is like the most unrelated to the other ones. That is the Fast and Furious Land Cruiser. And as you can see, the card got really ripped. I don't know, they upped their game because some blisters were falling off. Blisters were cracking a few years back. So they've really upped the glue on their packages. So anyways, the card art on this thing is beautiful. Actually, it looks like a one-to-one vehicle. And the background with the palm trees, the beach, and the oceanscape looks really good. I think it's ocean or mountains, jungle, whatever it is. It just looks really good for the card. So the presentation in the package is very nice. And the set included the 69 Camaro, the 71 GTX, the Dodge Charger Hellcat, and the Lykan Hypersport. I wish they would start doing all new vehicles. The Camaro's new, and the Land Cruiser is new, but the other three are repeats and such. And the Camaro was actually kind of a repeat because they've done that in the basic line with the plastic wheels, but honestly I don't include those because they've done the Grand Sport Vet, they've done the Daytona with the plastic wheels, but they have not done them in the premium yet, and I don't know why. So they should actually start thinking about releasing some new ones, in my opinion. But this Land Cruiser, really cool to see this because it's a brand new casting altogether. So very sweet. So let's get him out and take a look at him. And this has very nice looking wheels and tires on it. Treaded tires. Semi-detailed chassis. Not a lot of detail, but not too bad either. But the grille is highly detailed. The grille, the headlights, the Toyota logo is raised on the grille, which is really sweet. And then it does have the mirrors casted in. It doesn't even have the wipers casted in, and they are painted separately, so it is very nicely detailed. The bezel on the fender, the marker lights, your emblems on the rear quarter, some more bezels back here. I guess this would be the D pillar, and then detailed tail lights, license plate frame, and detailed bumpers, which are part of the base on this one. So they have that like silver Zamac finish to them. A lot of the premium stuff nowadays has like separate pieces for the bumpers and stuff. So Hot Wheels is really stepping up their game on the premium lineup stuff. So that is your Hobbs and Shaw Fast and Furious Land Cruiser. Next one is the Boulevard. This is my favorite take on the 63 Chevy 2 Nova Gasser, the AWB altered wheelbase. First appeared in the 2009-2010 Drag Strip Demons, and it had, I think, 3 different versions. Then we seen it released again in the 2000, I think it was 20 Drag Strip Demons, the one that had 5 cars and they were pretty much all gassers. The one that was menaced, something like that, and it was red. That was okay, but this is my favorite of all of them. The purple, the little too short name, the gray colored slots look really, really good on this vehicle. The only thing with my variant, though, the tampos didn't lay down very good. They're okay, but as you can see, like when it's in the right light, the paint is very wavy. The tampos are kind of a little bit raised, not so well like other cars. I don't know what happened if they put the tampos on top of the clear, and they usually clear over the tampos. So this is actually a little bit crappy on the tampo layout, but still not bad from a distance. So I'll take it. It's my favorite variant of this gasser. Not much detail on the headlights, or well, the tail lights they did get, but the headlights they did not. Um, Actually, I take that back. I'm sorry. It was the glare of the light. So there are headlight tampos there. So my bad. So I'm lying to you guys. So yeah, it actually does have some pretty good tampos in the headlights and tail lights. So anyways, moving along, our two drag strip demons. I actually pieced together this set like a little at a time. I actually bought the VW with these two, but the VW I just don't feel is a drag strip demon. If they would have done like a replica of the Dune Beetle like Green Light did and such, it would have been a little different, or made like a front engine Beetle or something. Yeah, I could have taken that, but the one that they give us, and I'll show you on the back of the card here, is not that drag racing. And look, I mean, it looks like a California lowrider, like a SoCal Volkswagen Bug that you would see at the beach or something like that. So it doesn't fit in with the drag strip demon lineup, in my opinion. So we got this 74 or 73, sorry, Plymouth Duster, pretty much the same car, the 73 to 75s. So let's get him off the card and take a look at him. But first, the card art is beautifully done on this one. Looks just like a pro stock shot that you would have seen back in the 70s. Very, very cool card art with the NHRA, the Mopar logo. Very, very nice. So now, looking at the car, this one does have a little bit of headlight detail. Has a Hot Wheels vanity plate on the front, which is cool. All of the livery is very nicely done. It's a Last Stand Plymouth Duster with all of your like co-sponsor decals along the bottom of the door, the rocker panel area, detailed tail lights, nice metallic purple paint, actually beautiful paint. It has the window trim there, very nicely done. Still not my favorite variant of this car. My favorites are the originals from the Vintage Racing, the Mopar Missile and the Sox and Martin. They had a perfect wheel and tire combo. They look very, very good. Although this one's not bad though. So, last but not least is a brand new casting. This first appeared in this Drag Strip Demons, and they make the chase of this. I did a short reel, I think, on the Super Chase variant or Chase variant with the black wheels and the black primer instead of the rust trim and stuff. That one I did not keep, but I did pick up the regular variant to keep. Pretty cool name, Rust Bucket, with the patinaed look on the paint and such. So let's get him out and take a look at him. First, the card art, though. Very nicely done, once again. And then the card itself, the truck itself, is very nice piece. Nice with the front wheels, the real skinny ones. The front axle area is a little bit boxy and big, but from afar, it does not look that bad. So in the display case, it looks really good. I wish they would do a 33 Willys coupe. I know they did one back in the 100% series. Hopefully they'll do another one for RLC to go along with their 41 Willys. And very cool taillight tampo with the parachute there. And the wheels I wish would have been done in a silver or chrome to represent like the center lines. But these will do. So not a bad looking casting, the scoop with the blower sticking out. And it is a 392 Hemi, so pretty sweet little piece to go in the display case with my other gassers. So that is our lineup for Tuesday. We'll be back again tomorrow to show you another wagon for Wagon Wednesday. It's not a world, it's the lead sled. We'll just take a quick look at it. It's already unboxed. I got it in on a trade, and I'll give a shout out to the person I traded with and such, and we'll take a 5-minute look at it. But I hope you enjoyed this not such a great premium unboxing, but not bad either. So you get to look at some Hot Wheels here with real riders and metal on metal. So nice lineup, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll be back again tomorrow with the wagon from Auto World.